Monsoon and pakoras are just match made in heaven. As you know that pakoras are the Indian fritters that are crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. They are made with delicious mix of vegetables and spices. Pakoras can be served either as an appetizer, filling for a sandwich or a wrap, croutons for a salad or just a vegetarian side dish. So thought to share with you a recipe today, a unique and different way how to do a cauliflower pakora. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's check the ingredients. And the ingredients are carom seed, gram flour, rice flour, ginger and garlic paste, mustard oil. With that, green chili paste, green chili, coriander leaf chopped, red chili powder and turmeric powder, salt as per your taste, cumin powder, and cauliflower. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, take the cauliflower and cut it into small pieces with the help of a knife. After that, wash the cauliflower and keep aside. So my lovely viewers, do you have any idea why we love so much pakora, especially during monsoon season? If you know the answer, please do comment in my comment section below. Now after cutting the cauliflower, keep aside. On the other side, we will make a marination for this cauliflower. First add 1 to 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Then add half teaspoon each turmeric and red chili powder. Now add half teaspoon of cumin powder. Next add salt as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of green chili paste and half teaspoon each ginger and garlic paste. Now mix all the marination properly so that everything come together. Now add the small pieces of cauliflower. Again mix well so the masalas are well coated, and then marinate it for 10 to 15 minutes before moving on to the next step. After that, into that same add 1/4 teaspoon of carom seed, 1 tablespoon of gram flour, and 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Now give a good mix with your hands so the gram flour and rice are well coated with the cauliflower. And once you are done, then slowly pick one cauliflower at a time and place them onto the hot oil and fry it. While frying, don't overcrowd the pan or it might can stick with each other and you will not get that crispy crunchy from outside. After adding few at a time, then wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then stir well or flip the other side in a medium high flame. And once it is done from all the sides and it turns golden brown, then remove it from the oil and serve hot. Though while frying the pakoras, keep in mind that you should not overcook as they turn dark. Now you can see our pakoras are well done. Remove it with the help of a steel strainer and serve hot in a serving plate, and garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves and fried green chilies, and add tomato sauce or any other dip of your choice. Now serve hot and enjoy this monsoon with a hot cup of tea and this lovely pakoras. So if you think these pakoras are really crispy and crunchy and you really like it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload my next video, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy monsoon. See you again with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.